It is new mirror day here in the shop. If you watched my other video about mirror adjustment on the Himalayan, I broke this one twisting it with my big stupid hand 2 minutes after I bought the bike. And I looked around online and I settled on Doubletake mirrors as a replacement. So you're watching it really happen. This may take a while. The thing that decided me on Doubletake is their policy of selling glass separately if you break it, or if you break the whole thing, send them a photograph with your story and they'll replace it. It's an American company. They're very accountable. They got a great reputation, and the price is not bad. I'm going to stay on this for a minute if you want to freeze frame it and zoom in on their instructions. But they include 3 adapters. One of them, which I'm going to need for my Himalayan, is a reverse thread for the right-hand side. I once had a Yamaha that confused me till I figured out they also do the reverse thread on the right side. And it spells out which of these you'll need depending on which motorcycle you own. So you pop this ball into that gadget, you attach the other end of that gadget to the ball on the mirror, and Bob's your uncle. So to continue. The Himalayan has a fixed cowl with the windscreen, so you have to swing the left side out of the way to remove the left one, and then the right one, woo, can I do this? So that you can spin that big mirror arm around without banging into the windshield. The nut is 14 millimeters. So for my 2021 Himalayan, I used a 17 millimeter box wrench for the adapter. Remember, it's not real intuitive. It's no longer righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. When you're putting this adapter in, spin it the other way to make it tight. Your brain's not going to want to do that. That's on Yamahas and Royal Enfield Himalayan and a few other bikes. KLMs, I think. Then you spin a ball in on each side in the normal fashion. So I didn't tighten this all the way to the deck because I didn't want to, and I didn't want to force the issue. It was plenty tight. I may come back in future and put some Loctite in there, but for now I just want to get it going, see how it goes. This is the left side. There's a spring on one side only. That goes up high on the mirror end of things, not down low against the handlebar. I'm loving this design. Very, very elegant. You don't need any tools from this point forward. If you loosen it a little bit, you can adjust the mirror, the angle any way you want, and then hand tighten it. So that always drives me crazy, trying to fix things out at a red light or something, and then you've had all kinds of problems. You know what I'm talking about. And it's designed to swing out of the way on impact, or if you are shipping it, or for whatever reason want to swing the mirror out of the way, that's easy to do. You can take it all the way out.